Hi everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to play Roblox in any resolution on PC using simple steps that work on almost any system. Step 1. Let's adjust Roblox's compatibility settings to allow resolution changes. Search for Roblox in your Start menu, right-click the shortcut and select Open File Location. Then right-click the Roblox Player Beta file, select Properties, and head to the Compatibility tab. Step 2. In the Compatibility tab, click on Change High DPI Settings. Check the box that says Override High DPI Scaling Behavior, and from the drop-down, set it to System. Don't forget to hit Apply, then close the window. Step 3. Now right-click anywhere on your desktop and choose Display Settings. Under the Scale and Layout section, change your display resolution to whatever size you want Roblox to run in, like 1366 by 768 for example. Step 4. An easier way is to open Roblox in windowed mode instead of full screen. Launch any Roblox experience, press Escape to open the settings, and turn off full screen mode from there. Step 5. You can also press Alt and Enter to quickly switch between full screen and windowed resolution. Once in windowed mode, just drag the corners of the Roblox window to adjust it to your preferred size. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tutorials.